The Audi Q4 key fob uses a slide release mechanism for battery replacement. First, locate the small button or indentation on the side or bottom edge of the fob, near the keyring loop. Use a small flathead screwdriver or similar tool to gently slide or depress the release. With the release engaged, carefully pry the two halves of the case apart. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage to internal components. The top half typically houses the key blade and battery compartment, while the bottom contains the circuit board. Be careful when separating the case to not damage any internal wires. Once the case is open, carefully remove the old CR232 battery, noting the correct polarity with the positive side facing up. Insert the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it's properly seated with the positive side up. Reassemble the fob by snapping the two halves back together until you hear a click. Test the functionality by pressing the lock and unlock buttons near your vehicle. Remember, battery life is typically 1 to 2 years with normal use. Be mindful of static discharge during the process. For connectivity issues after replacement, consult Audi's Virtual Assistant app for reprogramming guidance. Be aware of potential moisture issues, especially in humid climates, and ensure the fob is properly sealed after reassembly.